So you have ended up doing a collaboration with someone and it seems that it is actually hurting your channel and your views. Hey guys, this is Asupanda back again. Hope you guys are doing well. What are we talking about today? Well, as it happens, when we end up starting our YouTube journey, after a point of time, we meet other creators and then comes the idea that we could probably collaborate with each other so that we can mutually be helpful to each other, right? There is always going to be somebody who's got probably more subscribers, more views, and somebody who's a new channel, a small channel, might want to get that attention to their own channel as well. Now, why am I making with this video? The reason I'm making this is that this very thing, this collaboration that you might want to go in with another creator might end up hurting your channel as well. And why do I say that? Hear me out. Now, what will happen is that, see, somebody who has been doing videos on YouTube, uploading videos on YouTube for a very long period of time, and they have been able to get that success is based on the fact that there is a certain audience that watches their content, right? Assuming the fact that even though you might be from the same niche, their audience would want to move away, not even move away, want to watch your content versus theirs, or would want to add on to watching your content, is wishful thinking. The reason for that is because they might, everybody is unique, right? You cannot be absolute carbon copies of other channels. And even if you do that, that is going to hurt you as well, because there is always the sense of originality attached to that particular content creator. At the same point of time, there might be a mismatch in what your audience should be or what your audience likes to watch versus the audience of the other creator. Now, take for instance, there is somebody who does cooking videos. They do some elaborate cooking videos in a outdoor setting somewhere, and we all like to watch that. There is a lot of ASMR in that and so on and so forth. And then you have a travel vlogger who basically reviews a lot of food, and then again they also talk about a lot of food, and thus the other person creates a lot, cooks a lot of food, and they come together, they end up doing a video together. What will end up happening is that, you know, while one audience likes watching the entire process of how that entire dish is coming together, the other people might just want to hear the review, right? They might not be, the audience on one channel might not be, the reviewer's channel might not be that patient that they want to watch the entire cooking process. They just want to hear the views and reviews of this particular food reviewer, right? And what will happen is that you, in a short term, you will see, right, some views increase, some different audience there. And yes, you should advertise. But in the long term, what's going to happen is, take for instance, somebody, you know, that's the reason why I say, do not make anybody subscribe by force, because what's going to happen is, every time you're going to upload a video, you're going to get empty engagement. What I mean by that is that once you upload a video, YouTube will actually put that video on their browse page. And now they can do one of two things. They can either click on it and choose to watch it, or just ignore it. Now, if they click on it and they watch it, and out of every 1,000 times YouTube does this, and the number of times people watch it, that gives you your CTR. So it directly affects your CTR, right? But then again, if they do not watch it, what's going to happen is that YouTube is going to get this idea that, you know, people are just not interested in your video anymore, right? Because these might be those people who might have come from that collaboration, and they might have watched a couple of videos, but they do not keep consuming your content. And what you really need is people who like to watch not only one of your videos, but many of your videos. And that's the reason why you should sometimes leave it to YouTube to find you that audience, which will basically not only watch, say 30 to 20 seconds of your video, but watch your videos in entirety, and at the same point of time, watch multiple levels. That is what will give you serious success on YouTube, if that is what you're looking for. Because see, a lot of people on YouTube are saying that, you know, I'm here to have fun. But then again, they get discouraged. If you're having fun, then keep having fun making videos. Do not expect a lot in the form of returns. But if you are looking for in form of returns, and that will give you happiness, then you have to be focused towards creating content that people can watch over and over again, and it probably helps people. Like in case of the videos that I make on this channel, in certain niches, whether it comes to entertainment, comedy, or something, the engagement is much faster. In niche like that I am in right now, the engagement can be slow, and at the same point of time, there is a lot of competition. There is a lot of other people who are doing it far better than I am. I'm just hoping that I am able to reach there as well. And for that, I need your help. So please mention in comment section what you think collaborations can bring to you. Do you think it is always a good idea, or do you think it can probably affect or hurt your channel rather than help your channel? Also, if you like the video, anything in this video, please hit the like button. At least share it with one more person. And yes, please do subscribe, help our small channel grow as well. In the end, all I can say is thanks for watching. Keep watching. Until next time, Oshi Kimti. Tawa.